What does extended replacement cost mean on a homeowner's policy? For those who have ever purchased a home which requires homeowners insurance, you may recognize that there is a difference between the amount you paid for the home and the actual amount of your basic coverage for the home without belongings. This is due to the fact that you purchased the house at market value and the insurance company is using replacement costs to determine the cost of reconstructing your house. What is the difference between replacement cost and market value? You may want to make the following inquiry as well. Does home insurance cover plumbing? Market value is simply the price you paid for your home, and most often insurance agencies do not give market value a second consideration because the real estate investment market can fluctuate so greatly. If you purchased a house in 2005 in your area, it may have paid $200,000 for example, but just 3 years later in 2009 it sold for $270,000. These differences in market prices are unrelated to the cost of rebuilding your home should disaster strike. These price differences are determined by the forces of supply and demand in your local market. Generally, insurance companies consider the cost of reconstructing your home in the same physical area in the year in question. That is how replacement cost is defined. So if you are purchasing homeowners insurance in an area where price levels have risen and homeowners are paying triple or double the building value of the home, then your actual replacement cost and insurance coverage may be lower than the market value of the home. If you live in an area where the market is not so great during that particular year, then what you paid for your home might be less than what the actual replacement cost of the home is for that year. It is important that you understand this when you contact insurance companies and ask for rate quotes. Keep in mind when receiving estimates from the insurance company that many may give you replacement value insurance coverage costs as well as market value insurance coverage costs, but it is always best to take the replacement value insurance coverage since this is what will be needed to replace your home if a disaster occurs. Keep in mind that the value of the land should not be part of the replacement cost insurance premium. You may also want to ask your agent if their rental value insurance coverage is included in your premium. Prior to soliciting an insurance quote, make sure that you have a list of any special features and amenities that your home contains as well as the total area of the home, usually in square feet or square meters. Other information to have at your ready disposal will be the types of appliances, plumbing, heating, and electrical systems that are installed. All of this information is necessary for them to accurately determine the cost of replacement that will be used to quote your premium.